Welcome back to HealthTech Explorers. Today we dive into the world of proteins, the molecular machines of life. These vital molecules play a central role in nearly every biological process, and thanks to advancements in AI, we're unlocking their secrets like never before. From understanding protein interactions to designing synthetic proteins, AI is revolutionizing the way we study and use these building blocks of life. Let's explore how proteins and AI are shaping the future of healthcare and biotechnology. Proteins play a central role in nearly every biological process, and their interactions and structures are crucial for understanding diseases and developing therapeutic strategies. AI and machine learning are increasingly being used to study proteins, enabling scientists to predict protein behavior, interactions, and structures more efficiently and accurately. By leveraging vast data sets and powerful computational models, AI helps to uncover insights into protein functionality, which is essential for drug discovery, disease research, and synthetic biology. With the advancements in AI-driven protein analysis, the field of proteomics is rapidly expanding, offering new opportunities for medical and biotechnological innovations. Protein-protein interactions, or PPIs, are essential for virtually all biological functions. These interactions form the basis for cellular processes such as signal transduction, immune responses, and enzyme catalysis. Understanding PPIs is critical for drug discovery, as many diseases arise from the disruption of these interactions. AI algorithms can predict potential interactions between proteins by analyzing large-scale biological data, such as genomic sequences, expression levels, and structural information. Predicting these interactions helps identify potential drug targets and biomarker candidates for diseases like cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and autoimmune diseases. AI models can also simulate how proteins interact in different environments, allowing researchers to test hypotheses and accelerate the development of therapeutic interventions. Synthetic biology involves the design and construction of new biological parts, systems, and devices. AI is playing an increasingly important role in synthetic biology by automating the design of synthetic proteins and genetic circuits. Machine learning models can predict the function of novel proteins based on known sequences and structures, significantly accelerating the design process. AI can also be used to optimize the production of synthetic proteins by identifying the best conditions for protein expression in various organisms. Additionally, AI-driven platforms can design gene editing tools and biological sensors that have applications in agriculture, environmental sustainability, and medicine. The combination of AI and synthetic biology holds great promise for creating customized proteins that can be used for therapeutics, vaccines, and biofuels. Protein structure and protein design. Understanding the three-dimensional structure of proteins is key to understanding their function and designing drugs that target them. AI-powered tools like AlphaFold have revolutionized the field of protein structure prediction by accurately determining protein structures from amino acid sequences. This has significant implications for drug discovery and personalized medicine, as having accurate structural information allows researchers to design more effective therapies. AI algorithms are also being used in protein design, where computational methods suggest modifications to protein sequences that can enhance stability, specificity, and efficacy. AI can also predict how proteins will fold in different conditions, which is important for understanding diseases caused by misfolded proteins, such as Alzheimer's disease or cystic fibrosis. Protein fitness landscape refers to the relationship between a protein's sequence and its functional properties. It describes how changes in a protein's structure, due to mutations or other factors, can impact its stability, function, and interaction with other molecules. AI can model the fitness landscape of proteins to understand how mutations lead to diseases and how different protein sequences contribute to health or dysfunction. By analyzing large-scale protein data, Machine learning models can predict the effects of specific mutations on protein behavior and design proteins with improved functions or new properties. This is particularly important for designing therapeutic proteins or enzymes with desired activities, such as those used in enzyme replacement therapy or cancer treatments. Proteins are the foundation of life, and with the power of AI, we're uncovering their mysteries faster than ever before. From improving drug discovery to advancing synthetic biology, the potential of AI-driven protein research is limitless. If you're excited about how technology is transforming healthcare, subscribe to HealthTech Explorers. Join us next time for more breakthroughs at the intersection of health and technology. Stay curious, and see you soon.